"2022 has marked a substantial year for Ford when it comes to the new Ranger. For the company, the next-gen Ford Ranger marks a huge step forward for the vehicle lineup, but at the same time has forced the brand to undergo some drastic changes. For starters, Ford has had to completely overhaul its vehicle plant in Pretoria to accommodate this new truck. In late November, the company announced that it officially sent its last-gen Ranger off the belt and it was ready to start manufacturing this new lineup. That lineup is now available, while Ford said you should start seeing the cars in dealerships soon and you can start custom ordering your Ranger from the official website too. In true Ford fashion, the company wanted me to test out all the new tech while driving it all over the mountains in Cape Town. The car is definitely built tough, as Ford claims, and the experience gave me a great insight into the various components that work in the vehicle. From the striking new design to the Wildtrak's new 360-degree camera, Ford gave me the full rundown on everything on offer in these awesome new next-gen Rangers. Ford has definitely crafted the smartest Ranger to date, and the company can be proud of what it's achieved. The new Ranger comes in 4 variations, starting with the base, XL, XLT and the Wildtrak. There's also the Ranger Raptor, but that won't be around until next year. Each Ford Ranger comes with a 4-year 120,000 km warranty and a 4-year unlimited roadside assistance plan. The base Ranger starts at 486,000 Rand and the base Wildtrak can cost up to 953,000 Rand. There are 30 models in total, but technically there are hundreds of different models you can build thanks to Ford's built-to-order approach. You can kit your Ranger out with various package options available when you order it. The base model, for example, comes with an optional 13,000 Rand package that overhauls the truck's outer look and replaces the fugly wheels with alloy rims and even packs in better seat covers. You can then get your Wildtrak and increase its wheel size to 20 inches, throw in some extra 12-volt power outlets and much more. The best news here is that even if you don't opt for the best Ranger with the best add-on package, even the base model boasts some fantastic features and tech. For example, the base model includes an 8-inch driver display and a 10-inch infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The base model also comes with vinyl seats for easy cleaning, climate control, a multifunctional steering wheel and hill assist. I think Ford has done a great job here, including some much needed features in the entry-level model. Sure, the outer design differs a bit from the XLT, but usually brands charge a lot more money for the extra displays and all the smart systems that you're getting here in the base model. Of course, if you do have the money to spend, the Wildtrak is packed with stitch seats, adjustable motorized front seats, ambient lights that can be changed on an app, 12-inch display, a Bang & Olufsen 10-speaker sound system, a 360-degree camera, active park assist, cruise control and much more. But the in-between offers some great options for those without R1 million available. Ford says there are 200 approved accessories to choose from too, so the possibilities are really endless here. When it comes to the engine and power, the base model Ranger is powered by a 125 kilowatt 2-litre single turbo engine. You can choose between a 4x2 or a 4x4 configuration. The XL models come with a 125 kilowatt 2-litre SiT engine and are also available in either 4x2 or 4x4. The base model then comes with a newly developed 6-speed manual gearbox, whereas the XLT comes with a 6-speed manual or automatic options. The XLT are the double cab models. The base XLT also packs a 125 kilowatt 2-litre single turbo engine, but there's also a 154 kilowatt 2-litre bi-turbo engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission instead of the 6-speed transmission. They too come with 4x2 or 4x4 options. Lastly, the Wildtrak comes in both 4x2 and 4x4 configurations with a 2-litre bi-turbo engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission. However, the best of the best Wildtrak is a 184 kilowatt 3-litre V6 diesel engine with an all-wheel drive system and a 10-speed automatic transmission. So how next-gen are these Rangers? Well, apart from the powerful engines, the trucks are also incredibly stylish and easier than ever to operate. I am no off-road driver and Ford took me all over Western Cape to test out the truck. Switching between various driving modes on different parts of the trip was easier than ever, and the giant displays gave me enough insight into what I was doing. The Wildtrak's new 360-degree camera is some sort of voodoo work and accurately displays the surroundings of the vehicle while you're driving. It helps more than you would expect, as rocks and other obstacles are clearly indicated while you're driving the truck. Ford has also gone for a simpler tech approach with these ranges, and it shows. The driver display detailed my driving mode and what wheel setting I was using. It also displayed speed, warned me if I was veering off the lane, and shouted at me if I didn't have both hands on the wheels at all times. The infotainment display worked flawlessly with Apple CarPlay, and I could easily connect and hand off my GPS navigation to the unit. The giant display is also seamlessly tied into parking assist, the 360-degree camera, temperature control, lighting, and even gave me an option to see what degree my truck was sitting at and what direction my steering wheel was facing. The whole system also comes packed with a USB-C and USB-A charging port and wireless charging pad in both the Wildtrak and XLT models. Both were also able to charge my iPhone through the case. This is great news for those who don't want to remove their cover every time they place their phone down to charge. I really can't express how helpful this charging was. I know it isn't anything revolutionary, but I packed all my battery packs on this trip to keep my iPhone charged because I record all my videos using my iPhone, and I didn't use any of the battery packs at all. Instead, the Ranger kept my phone charged at all times. The ease of just putting it down in front of you and not plugging it in is also a real blessing. I'm likely not even touching half of what these cars have to offer because there's a lot to unpack here. Ford has tweaked every single little thing to make them look and feel like a new experience. But after 3 days behind the wheel, I have to admit that these Rangers are truly next gen, and Ford has successfully created a premium truck that feels incredible to drive. It is also striking and stylish. I was also able to get into the car with my super long legs, adjust the seats, and make my drive comfortable. That says a lot for someone who's 2 meters tall. I want to thank Ford South Africa for giving me the opportunity to test drive these Rangers. I'm really sorry about that flat tire. I swear that rock just crawled out in front of the tire. I really can't wait to see what the company does for the Raptor. It is really such an exciting time for Ford Ranger enthusiasts. And if you're looking for a new Ranger, this is definitely the time to get one. So that's my experience with the new Ford Ranger. Are you looking to pick one of these beauties up? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, please do like and subscribe for more South African content, and visit www.glitch.online for more. Until next time, farewell.